everyone, it's Robin from Security. In today's video I'll be walking you through the process of upgrading your microcode firmware on a bare metal machine equipped with an AMD EPYC CPU. If you've been wondering how to do this, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. Before we begin, we need to ensure that the secure memory encryption option is set correctly in the UEFI. This step is crucial for ensuring that our firmware upgrade will take effect properly. Now let's check our current firmware version. We will use a simple terminal command for this. This shows our current firmware version. In this case, it's version 1.28. Next, we need to download the newest microcode firmware for a specific AMD EPYC CPU. Since we're using the Milan generation, we will download version 1.55.21. These commands create a directory for AMD firmware files and copy our new firmware to this location. This allows the system to find and use the new firmware. These commands unload and then reload the kernel modules responsible for AMD's virtualization and cryptographic coprocessor. This process ensures that the system recognizes and loads the new firmware. Sometimes, like in this example, we need to restart our server. Finally, let's verify that our upgrade was successful. We will use the same command as before. You should now see the output indicating the new firmware version. This confirms that we have successfully upgraded to version 1.55.21. There you have it. We have successfully upgraded the microcode firmware on our bare metal machine. If you have further questions, write them in the comments. See you next time.